Have you lost count of how many times you watched From Russia with Love? Do you secretly dream of walking along the streets of Moscow or probably taking a boat cruise down Volga River? Do you frequent Russian restaurants and wish you could finally read the names of the delicious dishes you've tried on the menu? If so, you have good reasons to learn Russian. My name is Nikita. Welcome to connectwithrussian.com. I hope our lessons will make your language learning a bit easier, though you might find learning Russian a bit difficult. Well, perhaps such a sense may be caused because of the fact that the Russian alphabet uses not Latin but Cyrillic spelling system. Well, I have some good news to cheer you up. Some of the Cyrillic letters are identical to the Latin ones. In today's lesson, you'll have a chance to check it, since we're going to study the ABC. But before we start, I'd like to point out that this course is absolutely free and is very important for everyone who is a beginner in Russian. In a couple of lessons, we'll cover all the features of Russian pronunciation to make sure you won't have any problems with reading in Russian and, of course, speaking. Needless to say, the correct pronunciation in any language is the key to be understood. And this is our aim, isn't it? Actually, I believe you will find Russian pronunciation very easy because there is just one key rule. Most of the words are pronounced the way they are spelled and vice versa. This means that when you see, say, the letter B in a word, you always read it as B. It's obvious that when you want to say a word containing the sound B, you'll always write the letter B. Still, there are a few easy-to-follow pronunciation rules. In this very lesson, as I've said before, we'll cover the Russian alphabet. First, you'll hear the ABC in full so that you can see how we call the letters and, of course, how they look like. Then, we'll discuss how to write them, as one possible problem that may arise while you're studying is that we use two types of letters, print and handwritten or cursive. When one writes on paper, he will use the handwritten ones. In most cases, you just won't be able to understand the written text unless you are experienced enough. That's why I recommend you to practice your handwriting as much as possible. Now, let's listen to the ABC.
A, B, V, G, D, Е, Ё, Ж, З, И краткое, К, Л, М, Н, О, П, Р, С, Т, У, Ф, Х, Ц, Ч, Ш, Щ, твердый знак, И, мягкий знак, Ю, Я.
Russian is a phonetically rich language. True, there are no th or w sounds in Russian, but those are about the only ones it's missing. As you've probably noticed, the Russian alphabet consists of 33 letters and has double the vowels of English. We have 10 vowels and consonants that allow us to produce sounds that are present in other languages and not just the Slavic ones. For example, sounds produced by letters t and u exist in Chinese. As I've said before, one of the best things about Russian is that the sound each letter makes is very much consistent, aside from a few exceptions and rules, some involving mysterious letters of the alphabet called hard and soft sign, which means that once you know the sound of each letter and allow yourself some practice, you'll be spilling Russian words. Okay, let's now study the names of the letters. Please also compare a print writing to a cursive one. In the description of this video, you'll find a worksheet to practice your writing skills.
А, А, Б, Б, В, В, Г, Г, Д, Д, Е, Е, Ё, Ё, Ж, Ж, З, З, И, и краткое, К, К, Л, Л, М, М, Н, Н, О, О, П, П, Р, Р, С, С, Т, Т, У, Ф, Ф, Х, Х, Ц, Ц, Ч, Ч, Ш, Ш, Ща, Ща, твердый знак, И, мягкий знак, Э, Ю, Я,
Well done! In our further lessons, we'll discuss the sounds of Russian, so stay tuned. And as you know, big things are on the way. I'd like to send you emails about the latest updates at connectwithrussian.com. So, if you'd like, you can subscribe on our newsletter. You'll find the link in the description. It's high time for me to thank you for watching and say goodbye. Hope to see you soon.